For the statement not Q implies not R and P, it says choose the correct answer from among A and E below, and there are going to be some answer choices below, but I'm not even going to show them right now. We're going to pick an answer from a multiple choice list, but let's don't even worry about that right now. Let's figure out what the converse would be. The converse simply switches the roles of the two sides. So the converse would be not R and P implies not Q. And again, we're going to do multiple choice in a moment, but let's not even worry about that now. The second says find the inverse of the statement above. Well, the inverse simply negates each side. So the inverse would be not Q, or the negation of not Q implies the negation of not R and P. Now, it just so happens that this answer is not among our multiple choice answers, and the reason is this is not completely simplified. We have a result that says we can distribute that negation through here and simplify it. And if you remember that result, and again, a negation of a negation just gives you back Q. You distribute the negation of a negation gives you the statement R. The negation, when the negation distributes and hits a and or, it flips it so that and becomes an or, and then a negation distributes through there. So you have a result. We have a result that says that. Okay, and then third thing is find the contrapositive of that statement. Now the contrapositive switches and negates. So I've already negated it here, so instead of starting back at the beginning statement, let's just go ahead and take the one where I've already negated them here. So all I really need to do at this point is switch them. That's easier than going back to the very beginning. I know I've already negated them here, so the only other thing to turn it into a contrapositive is to just switch them. So I would get R, in fact, I might even put parentheses here just to be clear. R or not P implies Q. Now that I've got all those, let me just show you that I could pick them out of the list. Didn't have to have the list to simplify it, but look, this not R and P implies not Q. Is this one, this D, not R and Q implies not Q. So that's D. And then the inverse, again, my choices are here. I'm looking for this one. I've got Q implies R or not P. That'd be this one. So that would be A. And then this one, R or not P implies Q. It's an or. Would be that one right there, would be E. So there you go. Even though I had a multiple choice list to choose from, I really didn't need it.